Hi everyone, today I'm talking about St. John Wort, natural remedy to get rid of depression and anxiety. It's very important to know that natural remedy to deal with depression and anxiety. St. John Wort is a plant with yellow flowers that has been used in traditional European medicine as far back as the ancient Greeks. The name St. John wort apparently refers to John the Baptist, as the plant blooms around the time of the feast of St. John the Baptist in late June. Historically, St. John wort has been used for a variety of conditions, including kidney and lung ailments, insomnia, depression, and to aid wound healing. Currently, St. John wort is promoted for depression, menopausal symptoms, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, somatic symptoms disorder are a condition in which a person feels extremely exaggerated anxiety about physical symptoms, obsessive compulsive disorder in other conditions. Topical use applied to the skin of St. John wort is promoted for various skin conditions, including wounds, bruises, and muscle spasms. Well, it's important to know this kind of wort because this St. John wort is very unknown, is very a lot of research about this, but we have to take care about how we could use this kind of wort because it's a supplement, a natural remedy. A lot of people put a lot of expectation um, in remedy, but the most important treatment for anxiety, depression is psychotherapy together with another remedy too. How much do you know about the St. John wort? There has been extensive research on the use of St. John wort for depression and its interaction with medications. It has been clearly shown that St. John wort can interact in dangerous, sometimes life-threatening ways with a variety of medicines. Take care if you take some specific medicines and you use St. John wort. St. John wort appears to be more effective than a placebo, an active substance, and as effective as standard antidepressant medications for mild and moderate depressions. It's uncertain whether this is true for severe depression and for time periods longer than 12 weeks. Some John wort has also been studied for conditions other than depression, for some such as irritable bowel syndrome, chronic hepatitis C, and other conditions. Some John wort might be helpful for menopausal symptoms, wound healing, and somatic symptom disorder, but there is not enough evidence to know for certain. There is not enough reliable evidence to know whether St. John wort might be beneficial for quitting smoking or improving memory or for many conditions, including anxiety, ADHD, and seasonal affect disorder. Maybe you can use to help you to alleviate some symptoms, but not so strong effective for this. Is a supplement, like I said, a natural remedy. You can take this for help us to deal with the kind of symptoms. In research studies, taking some John wort by mouth for up to 12 weeks has seemed to be safe. But because some John wort interacts with many drugs, it might not be safe for many people, especially those who take conventional medicines. Some John wort can weaken the effects of many medications, medicines, including crucially important medicines such as antidepressant, birth control pills, cyclosporine, which prevents the body from rejecting transplant organs, some heart medications, HIV drugs, some cancer medications. So you need to take care about this. It's important to follow the opinion your physician and your psychologist too. Taking some John wort with certain antidepressants or other drugs that affect serotonin, a substance produced by nervous cells, by lead to increase serotonin-related side effects, which may be potentially serious. Take care. Some John wort may cause increased sensitivity to sunlight, especially when taken in large doses. Other side effects can include insomnia, anxiety, dry mouth, dizziness, gastrointestinal symptoms, fatigue, headache, or sexual dysfunction. There isn't evidence, reliable information available to know if St. John wort is safe when it's used topically. Take care. It may cause severe skin reaction to sun exposure. Well, side effects is very common in a lot of medicines, in phytotherapy too, natural remedies. So you need to take care about this. But St. John wort is very unknown, very known. A lot of research doing about this as a potential treatment for anxiety, depression, and it's important to take this because this side effects is less than other medicine. But take care, and it's important you have a follow up with your physician and your psychologist too. Okay, I'm from Brazil, I'm a psychologist, and if you want to take some psychotherapy with me, please send me a message in my Instagram, Dr. Paulo Antonio Almeida here, or in my email here in the screen, or my cell phone is on my description of the YouTube channel and Instagram profile too. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe here, like, thumbs up, and I will grateful for your presence here. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon.